Hello, everyone. Welcome to Junior English Hub. Today we will practice English daily routine conversation. Let's start speaking English together. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Julia.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you know English?
Yes, a little. I try to practice speaking every day.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
What do you do first in the morning?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready for school.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What do you do in the classroom?
I listen to the teacher and take notes.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My English teacher is my favorite.
What do you do after school?
I come back home.
Do you take rest after coming home?
Yes, I take a short rest.
Do you practice English in the afternoon?
Yes, I read and speak English.
What do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk and play.
Do you play any games?
Yes, I play cricket.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
What time do you return home?
I return home at 6 o'clock.
What do you do after returning home?
I study and do my homework.
What time do you eat dinner?
I dine at 8 o'clock.
Who eats dinner with you?
I eat dinner with my family.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch news and cartoons.
What do you do before sleeping?
I read a storybook.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Do you sleep early every day?
Yes, I try to sleep early.
How do you feel at the end of the day?
I feel calm and happy.
Do you feel confident speaking English now?
Yes, I feel more confident.
What helps you improve your English?
Daily practice helps me improve.
What is your dream?
My dream is to speak English fluently.
What message do you want to give learners?
Practice every day, speak without fear, and never give up.
Small practice every day makes big improvement. Keep speaking English and believe in yourself.